So this is how it looks after you've logged in. You can see like how much orders that you've gotten for the particular day. Then for this week, the one for this week shows like from Monday to Saturday of that particular week. Then this one is for the particular day. So here you can see like the name of your business, welcome, your name. Then this link here takes you to your website. What is like the settings? So this website is what you get after you like create your account, right? You can click here to just it will take you to the website directly. So your website can load. This is what you see. Your customers can place order from here. That's just what you need. You don't need to do any other thing special. The products that you put in the app, those are the things that will show up on that website. So for here, when you see this needs attention, that means it's either you have like a pending order. That's an order that has been created, but it has not been paid for. Then this one is the low stock. If you click on it, you see like zero if there's nothing. So it was already showing nothing. Then you can click on all your orders, right? Then back to the home page, you see like low stock. You can go there to open like all your products and you see the products and the number of items you have in your inventory. So how it is from 5 items and below is considered as low stock. So but if you now have more, you can go ahead to add stock or reduce stock depending on like the situation that you have. You can add maybe like if I now restocked with say 2, I can just do and add the 2. So I have like 7 in stock now. If you go back to the home page, if you go back to the home page and refresh, you see now that it's showing all caught up. So there's no pending and there's no low stock item. Right. So that thing just helps you so that when a particular item is low, maybe bought from your website, at least you can be aware of it and now do what's necessary. And here you can see on that home page, you can see all your recent orders. You can see them, how much, and things like that. You can go to a particular one and see the details of that one. You can see it has been paid, whether it's from the website and the date. You can see the name, person's number for delivery, shipping address. Then you can also see the items that they bought and other details like that. So we'll go back to the home page. So that's mostly it on the home page. I've showed you the settings too. So the next page is the products page. So from the products page, like we came here, you can see all your products. You can come and see like product details, the price, and description. You can edit it. There's an edit button. So you can add more photos, can change the name, can set the price. If you have a discount, you can set the discount price and the category. You can update the product from there. Then from and you can also search. You can search for particular product. Let's say it was face cap. You can see the product and you can do whatever you need to do from there. And you can add new products. You add new products from here. So you add the product image and product details. Select the category. This category is, just like how it's showing here. These are the ones that I created. There's t-shirt, there's scarves, the belts. But if it does not exist, maybe you don't already have, you can just directly create a category from here. You just do this. And you can create the name of the category, description. Then we have like a global categories list. So you can just select which of those ones that your product falls under. So if it's like book or sports, stuff like that, and just select and go ahead to create and go ahead and create your product. So, but also we also have a feature for creating like discounts or sales. So you can create like sales. You just do use this add button, create the sales from which date to which date. You can select which items you want to be part of the sales. All your product items will be here. You can also search them. You can just add them. When you're adding them, you also set what the sales price is. That's like why it's here. Once you select anyone, you can set what the sales price is. And that's how you just do. You just save, and that's how you create like sales. So on your website, if you go, you now see an example. Let me open this particular store's website. You now see something like this example on this page where the price the price is 36, but the discount price is 35. So stuff like that. Let's go back to so and that's about it. Then this big plus sign here. This if you want to record a particular sale that maybe you got on your WhatsApp or IG, the person didn't come through, um, the person didn't come through your website, you can still keep record of that, right? Because so that when you come back, you can know how much you've made in a week, in a month. You can use that data to now have more information on steps that you need to take. All the things about data. All these things about data. So this plus sign now, when you come here, you can see like products that you can sell. You select them. Let's see. So products. These are all your products. So you go ahead, you select the ones you want to maybe the particular person is buying. So you just do this plus sign, you can increase it or reduce it. If you do it two, then maybe this one. So then down here you can see like total items selected, and you do continue. Let's continue. You can now put the person's name and shipping address. So that at least from there um you can be able to do and ship to the person. Then for the delivery location, you can add like if you have places where you deliver to, you can just add it here. This delivery location also shows up on your website when the customer is placing order. So that when they select it, they'll just pay for the goods and for the delivery at once. If the person wants to do pickup, or maybe you're saving it by yourself, you can just select pickup. That one, there's no money. But from here, you can even add a delivery location immediately. Just do this plus sign. You just put where and how much it is, and you just create it. And it's automatically select it for you. And that's it. You can just do and you click create. Just click create. Okay, sorry, let me put the name. So let's say the name is me. Then shipping address, let's say, let me just put anywhere. Then I can just say create. So once it's created, when I do it manually, you see it's pending. So you can see all the things I selected here and everything. Then if I've confirmed that this person has made payments, I can undo marked as paid. Marked as paid, and it's now selected as paid. So that's how easy it is to see when you collect it manually. But automatically it's already paid because the customer will pay like online. You understand? So that's about that one. Then orders, you can come and you can see all the orders that you've got. This is the one that we just got now. I've done just created. That's the one that happened manually. And the one that you get from the website. And you can check which one is pending, which ones have been paid for. You can even search from this date to this date. What are all the ones I've gotten? Let's say I want to say from 1st of June to 16th. You can search by that way, and you can see like all of them that I got in that time period. And next is like the analysis or the analytics. So you can come and you see like how much you made, and it can give you like by week by week sales. So you see the one that's from the website, the one that is manual. This is just like a short analytics that you can see. Then from the settings, you can access the settings from the top of the screen. So you have personal settings, business settings, store settings. Store settings is where you set like for your website. You can set like the theme color. You can set the theme color. If maybe your brand color is green, you can set it here. That's why like the one for this website is green. You can set it here. Then this is still the same place for delivery locations. You can go and create a new one. Same thing for, you can even put the theme, so you can use light or dark theme or system theme depending on the one you prefer. Then security to change your password. Then when you create your account for the first time, I'm sure you see like a walkthrough of the features. So you can come here to replay those things. So you can just come here in case you're confused or you want to rewatch what's happened. So you just follow through the walkthroughs, explain what happens, and or you can just as well skip the whole thing. That's for the walkthrough. Then okay, then personal settings. You can set your name, you can put your last name, business settings, your business name. Here you can also see the link to your website. You can just copy this link, you share it with your customers, right? And share it with your customers. Then you can provide your contact details. This contact details shows up on the website, so your customers can easily reach you there.